Life in a big city. God made the country, man made the town. There is a big difference between country life and city life. Life in village is simple and close to nature. Life in a big city is different from the life of a village. In the city, life is fast and artificial. Life in a big city is active and inspiring. Daily life is ever too busy and restless. One has to fight against space and time. Cities are the product of civilization. It is full of activities and interests as well as full of difficulties and problems. A big city has a lot for you to make your life pleasant. However, as you know, good things never come easy. So to reap the perks of city life, you have to make sure to work hard at the same pace as it runs. Hence, people work like machines to fulfill their dreams and to be successful. Life in a big city, though curse we may call it, is indispensable to survive in the modern era. City is one of the most exciting places to live. Life in a big city is full of activities. The modern industrial development has given rise to big towns and cities. Nowadays, the growth of cities is incredible. Most of the villagers are migrating from villages to cities in search of jobs and other medical facilities. City life has its own advantages as well as disadvantages. It is both a blessing and a curse. Life in a big city is an interminable war in different battles. All the necessities and comforts of life are available to the city people. Everything is within the reach. Life is full of luxuries and is very mobile. The modern facilities of communication and transportation are available in big cities. People can transfer from one place to another without the waste of time. Telephone and mobiles have made communication very easy. There are many parks and picnic spots where people can enjoy their leisure time. It is rightly said, a city never sleeps. City has many things to offer from entertainment to convenience. Most advanced medical facilities are available to the city dwellers. There are large numbers of hospitals and clinics in the city. The hospitals have highly qualified staff and the most expensive and advanced equipment. Other than hospitals, there are numerous pharmacies and medical stores. All great art is born of metropolis. A large number of jobs are available in the cities, so it is easier to find a job in the city. Very often, people from the countryside move to the cities in order to find a decent job. However, people experience a lot of competition in big cities to achieve their life's goal. Whether a business owner or an employee, both struggle to earn more fame and money. They all have to match the pace of life to let the ends meet. A good life in a big city is almost impossible unless you are well settled. Also, you will hardly get any free and peaceful time in such cities as you have to hustle consistently. Day is night, night is day. It is my dear city's way. There are many educational institutions in cities which offer quality education for the students of all levels. In this way, acquisition of knowledge is easier and better in cities. Excellent universities are present in cities for higher education, which is a big advantage of city life. The people in the cities are well educated, advanced, and enlightened than the people who live in the villages. Skilled workers and technicians are in great demand. A great city is not to be confounded with a populous one. Life in a big city is very busy. There is a great hustle and bustle over there. You will see there is a great rush of traffic at peak hours of the morning as well as evening. There is a great noise of horns and engines of vehicles. Many people who have no conveyance have to face great difficulty to reach their offices due to rush of traffic. It is not easy to shop around in the markets because they are bustling with the crowd. These thickly populated cities even go through housing problems. All these problems seldom gives the residents of big city any peaceful moment. If you want to see color, festivity and gaiety, you should be a part of a city. The entertainment is the most exciting part about city life. There are many entertainment facilities for everyone. There are a lot of theaters, amusement parks, restaurants, shopping malls and stores in the cities. Other than this, there are other entertaining venues such as football, cricket stadiums, arenas and clubs in the cities. Recreation is not only joy but need of a man. There are wide roads in the cities with proper signs and signals. There are vast means of transport for the public that have lessened the distances. Necessities of life are easily available and in variety. In cities, there is no place for emotions and sentiments, and everyone is hypnotized by money and luxuries. There is a strong contrast in different areas in the cities. The slum areas are present behind the posh areas. Life in posh areas is a bed of roses, while in slum areas it's a bed of thorns. In cities, life is heaven for the rich and hell for the poor. Further, essentials are so expensive that the middle class families also lead a miserable life. The smoky atmosphere, dirty and insanitary condition of cities because of factories and industries are pitiable. The lack of pure diet and fresh air are the deficiencies of cities. The poisonous gases emitted from the vehicles result in health problems. Today's city is the most vulnerable social structure ever conceived by man. Pollution is a harsh reality of metropolitan cities. Air and water both are impure that create an unhealthy living environment. Most of the cities are facing the problems of overpopulation. This is resulting in many other problems such as pollution because pollution is directly proportional to population. Nowadays, cities have unfortunately become dangerous and unhealthy places to live. There are higher crime rates in cities, which is a threat to everyone. You can have an enjoyable yet stressful life here. The city will present you with many struggles, but you can't give up on them to live a happy and successful life. Thus, all you need is a thought and effort to live a balanced life for creating a sustainable living space. Make sure to never give up. Moreover, make right choices, have an organized life in which you don't hurt nature. Give time to your loved ones to maintain a healthy relationship. After all, you are working hard to live a satisfying life with them, not to get detached from them. Indeed, you have to work hard for better living in a big city, but without losing other precious things in life. Also make time for yourself because what is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. The government should take measures to make the city life more comfortable and peaceful by spreading knowledge and awareness. The population and growth of cities should be checked. The rush of traffic should be controlled. The problem of pollution must be checked if we want to make city life healthy and peaceful. The city is not a concrete jungle, it is a human zoo. Everything has some drawbacks and problems are everywhere, but these problems can be solved by honesty, education, awareness and literacy. But still life in city is very colorful and worth enjoying.